Stay out the bushes.
What's up, everybody? It's about, what time is it? I think it's like, it's like 11:15 Saturday morning. Shh, don't tell my brother, he'll get pissed. I never painted the wall yet. I'm gonna do it now. So, as you can see, that color's seeping through. It seeped through quite a bit, which of course is not good, but I'm gonna sand it down and then paint it. And then once that coat of paint dries, then we'll put a couple more coats on. So I'm gonna set up the camera to video my progress, and we'll put it in fast forward. Alright, so real quick before I start, I figured I'd show you. I got some sand, they call them sandbars, but you know, it's like sandpaper, but it's a block. They're soft, whatever. And I got the paint roller and crap. Got the paint, using the Leatherman. Well, it's not Leatherman, it's made by Gerber, but same crap. And, of course, the most important tool for any job ever, and you know, I bought the generic one because I'm broke, but gotta have a beer. Oh yeah. Not opening it yet, but I will when the time comes. Alright, so let's start this up, shall we? plaster dust. But as you can see, pretty much got it nice and smoothed out. So now, I didn't bring the white paint up here. I only brought the what do you call it? I only brought the beige paint up here. So I'm gonna give it a once over with the beige, and then we'll see where we're going from there. I'm actually gonna turn the camera off because it's getting kind of hot. So yeah. Okay, so it didn't take me very long. I went ahead and I did the first coat, as you can see. First coat's on there. So I'm just waiting for that coat to dry, and then once it does, we'll go for a second coat. So for now, that's about it, and I'll get back to you. Bye. Oh, it's outside. Alright, so that is now 2 coats of paint. And as you can see, it actually looks pretty damn good. The stain, it took the stain out. The stain's gone, you know, covered up. So that's awesome. And you see the difference, like, that's what it looked like, and now that's what it looks like. Pretty sweet. And then I came down, I got rid of the stain that was on the wall there, which looked like that. Okay, so it's Sunday, the next day. I slept in. It's late, but take a look. The wall is perfect, so I'm not gonna have to worry about anything bad. So, and as you can see, the paint job goes right along with the rest of the wall, so I don't have to paint the rest of the wall. That's awesome.